everyone! Today I'm excited to share a delicious Middle Eastern creamy chicken recipe with you. Start by mixing 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of salcha, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, oregano, and salt. Make sure everything is well combined. Then add in your chicken and give it a good mix. Pop it into the fridge for at least 2 hours. Let all those amazing flavors soak in. Fry the chicken until it's perfectly cooked and golden brown. I absolutely love this recipe. Flavors are just so rich and satisfying. It's become my go-to chicken dish. Honestly, I can't imagine wanting any other chicken recipe after trying this one. It's that good. You all need to try it and see it for yourself.